Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best whites is probably one of the most essential items in any household, ensuring your clothes look their brightest and cleanest. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the one that will truly make your whites pop without damaging your fabrics or leaving behind any residue? We've tested a variety of leading detergents to find the one that delivers superior stain-fighting power, fabric care, and overall value, so you can confidently achieve that pristine white look every time you do laundry. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of messy liquid detergents and bulky plastic jugs? Discover a cleaner, greener way to wash your clothes. Experience the future of laundry with our innovative detergent sheets. Don't let their size fool you. These powerful sheets tackle tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Enjoy a superior clean without harsh chemicals. Make a positive impact on the planet with every wash. Our liquidless formula eliminates plastic waste and reduces your carbon footprint. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Formulated for sensitive skin, our detergent sheets provide a gentle yet effective clean. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to comfortable, fresh-smelling clothes. Perfect for home, travel, or small spaces. These compact sheets dissolve completely in hot or cold water, making laundry day easier than ever. Just toss one in and go. Enjoy the invigorating fresh scent that lingers on your fabrics. Each pack provides 60 loads of powerful, eco-conscious cleaning. Get ready for brilliantly clean laundry. What we like? This option offers a revolutionary eco-friendly approach to laundry. Its liquidless sheets are incredibly convenient for travel and everyday use. If you're looking for a sustainable and mess-free laundry solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This detergent is a game-changer for keeping whites bright and stain-free. It effectively removes tough stains like grass and wine, leaving clothes looking like new. The formula is gentle on fabrics while still providing powerful cleaning action. Number 4. OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener. Tired of dingy whites? Discover the power of OxiClean White Revive. It's your secret weapon for brilliantly white laundry, without the harshness of bleach. Don't let stains win. This powerful powder tackles tough stains, restoring your fabrics to their original glory. Get ready for a noticeable difference. Looking for a gentler way to whiten? OxiClean White Revive offers an effective alternative to traditional bleach. It's safe for most fabrics, giving you peace of mind. Give your clothes a new lease on life. This formula is designed to revive dull and stained items, making them look and feel like new again. Experience the OxiClean difference. Simply add it to your regular wash cycle. It's that easy to achieve brighter, whiter, and stain-free clothes. Enjoy effortless laundry care. From everyday t-shirts to delicate linens, this whitener is perfect for all your white garments. Keep your entire wardrobe looking its best. What we like? This powder is a powerhouse for reviving whites and tackling stubborn stains. It's a fantastic alternative to harsh chlorine bleach. If your whites have lost their brilliance or you frequently deal with tough stains, this is an excellent choice to restore them. What people say. This detergent is a game-changer for keeping whites bright. It effectively removes stains and prevents dinginess, even after multiple washes. The formula is gentle on fabrics while still being tough on dirt. Number 3. OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener Power Paks. Introducing OxiClean White Revive. These power packs are designed to make your whites brighter than ever before. Get ready for a laundry day revolution. Don't let stains get you down. Our advanced formula tackles tough stains while remaining gentle on your fabrics. Keep your clothes looking their best. Experience the trusted cleaning power of OxiClean in a convenient, pre-measured pack. Simply toss one in with your regular wash for brilliant results. Give your dingy whites a new lease on life. These packs work to restore brightness and remove dullness from your favorite garments. Laundry day just got easier. With 24 power packs in every container, you'll have plenty to keep your whites looking pristine all season long. What we like? For ultimate convenience, these power packs are a game changer. They deliver powerful whitening and stain removal without any mess. If you value simplicity and effectiveness in your laundry routine, these pre-measured packs are perfect for you. What people say. It works great on whites and colors. This detergent is excellent for keeping whites bright. I love how this detergent makes my whites look so clean and bright. Number 2. Enzyme Laundry Booster Odor Remover, 2 pounds unscented. Tired of stubborn stains and lingering odors? Our laundry booster is here to help. It tackles tough messes, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. This powerful formula is completely unscented, making it perfect for sensitive skin. It uses natural bioactive enzymes to break down odors and stains effectively. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells from sweat, oil, and even blood. This additive works as a powerful deodorizer, ensuring your laundry smells great. Simply add it to your regular detergent for an extra cleaning boost. It enhances your wash, removing even the most challenging residues. With 64 loads in each container, this 2 pounds powder provides excellent value. Get powerful cleaning performance that lasts. Harness the power of bioactive enzymes for a superior clean. It's an effective stain cleaner that works naturally to restore your fabrics. What we like? This additive harnesses the power of natural enzymes to break down tough stains and eliminate odors. It's an unscented formula, making it ideal for sensitive individuals. If you struggle with persistent odors or specific stains like sweat and oil, this booster will significantly enhance your detergent's performance. What people say. This detergent is a game changer for keeping whites bright. It effectively removes stains and prevents dinginess, even after multiple washes. I love how this detergent leaves my whites looking crisp and new. It tackles tough stains like grass and wine with ease, and the fabric feels soft afterwards. Number 1. OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener. Tired of dingy whites? Get ready to restore brilliance to your laundry. This powerful formula is designed to make your whites look their best again. Don't let stains ruin your favorite clothes. Watch as it tackles tough stains, lifting them away effortlessly. You can trust it to handle even the most stubborn marks. Looking for a safer way to brighten your laundry? This is a fantastic alternative to chlorine bleach. It provides excellent whitening without the harshness. Worried about colors fading? This formula is safe for colors, ensuring your clothes stay vibrant. You can use it with confidence on all your laundry. Simply add it to your regular laundry routine. It works great with your favorite detergent to boost its cleaning power. Experience a new level of clean. Give your clothes a new lease on life. It's the perfect solution for reviving dull and stained fabrics. See the difference it makes with every wash. What we like? This liquid option provides a potent formula for whitening and stain removal without compromising fabric colors. It's designed to be used alongside your regular detergent. If you prefer a liquid format and want to maintain the brightness of your whites while ensuring color safety, this is a reliable choice. What people say. This detergent is specifically formulated to keep whites bright and prevent dinginess. It effectively removes stains and brightens whites without the need for bleach. The detergent leaves clothes smelling fresh and looking noticeably whiter after just a few washes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.